Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Blackwell and I chose to do my topic on animal testing. The point of disagreement within my argument falls under the stasis category of quality. The quality aspect of stasis tries to figure out if the problem is good or bad or like moral or immoral. One side argues that animal testing is good because of all the benefits that come from it, like medicine and the advancements that can come from that. The other side argues that animal testing is bad because of the suffering that it causes. In this speech, I'm going to discuss the history, moral values, and statistics that are present in this topic of animal testing. So, animal testing dates all the way back to the ancient Greeks in the BCE era. It was first created to test products for safety before it was deemed safe for humans to use. It was seen as taboo to test on humans, so scientists and other individuals began testing on animals. In the time of the ancient Greeks, there were not much discrepancy about animal testing because humans were ranked higher in the Scala Naturae, I think I'm saying that right, which means the chain of being. There were many philosophers throughout time that questioned the use of animals, but they still found it to be a just action because of the success that it brought to humans in the end. According to an article on the National Center for Biotechnology Information, a French physiologist by the name of Claude Bernard, who is also known as the father of physiology, says that experiments on animals are entirely conclusive for the toxicology and hygiene of man. The effects of these substances are the same on man as on animals, save for differences in degree. So this was during the 1800s, and clearly new advancements have been made and discoveries as well. He was an advocate for animal testing and believed that it was necessary in order for advancements to happen within the human population. On the other hand, Tom Reagan, who is an American philosopher, believes an animal's life has inherent value to that animal and confers moral status to that individual. Humans have no right to exploit other animals irrespective of possible benefits to humans. So he believes that it's unjust for humans to put animals in danger when it has no benefit for them. So who are we to put animals at risk for our own advancement? So that's a question that he and other people that advocate for animal rights may ask. So utilitarianism is an ethical theory that actions are right and just if they benefit the majority. This can be depicted through the greatest happiness principle. So this principle is an existence exempt as far from possible as from pain and as rich as possible in enjoyments, both in quality and quantity. They believe that animals are not inferior to humans because they are capable of pain and suffering just like we are. They have no way to refuse treatment or disapprove of the testing that is being done on them. From a scientific standpoint, animal testing has helped save many lives over the past few decades. Research on cows actually helped create a vaccine for smallpox. And according to the Foundation for Biomedical Research, drugs used to combat cancer, HIV and AIDS, Alzheimer's, hepatitis, and malaria would not have been possible without research with primates. So people that advocate for animal testing believe that it is just and moral because humans are seen as superior to animals. Humans are capable of language skills and emotional and social awareness, while animals do not inhibit these qualities, at least not to the extent that we as humans do. So many believe that if we were to rule out animal testing, there would be no way to create the greatest good because we would lose all the benefits that come from animal testing. In the end, it is up to our beliefs and moral values to determine the morality of the issue. The zoocentric theory is the theory that presumes that animals are morally relevant only if they are capable of conscious and responsive thoughts and actions. And on the other hand, the biocentric theory believes that all living things are morally significant. So both sides of the argument understand that there is an issue at hand. The disparity lies in the issue of moral or immoral. One side views it as a moral concept, and the opposing side views it as immoral because it doesn't maximize the happiness in every living thing. We as humans are benefiting, but the animals are suffering. Thank you.